I've been an aromatherapist for nearly 10 years, and this is the leading cause of essential oil related injuries I've witnessed. A lot of people think natural equals safe, but when it comes to essential oils, there are some safety precautions you need to take before you apply that oil to your skin. Number 1, always dilute. You can use a carrier oil, unscented lotion, or cream to do this. The recommended dilution rate will vary based on the individual and where you're applying the oil. Pause and screenshot this chart to help you decide your dilution rate. Number 2, check the expiration date of your oils. Using rancid oils can cause major skin irritation. Number 3, don't use phototoxic oils in the sun. Phototoxic oils applied to the skin interact with sunlight and UV rays and can burn your skin. And the number 1 essential oil related injury I've witnessed in the past decade of being an aromatherapist is people using undiluted essential oils on their skin. Using undiluted oils can cause irritation, burns, and even lead you to develop allergy-like symptoms to that oil indefinitely. Don't let that happen to you. Save this video and enjoy using your essential oils safely.